Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the United Kingdom in Rise of Nations. The British civilization offers a powerful combination of naval strength and economic bonuses, making them formidable. Your initial strategy should focus on rapid expansion and securing vital resources across the map. Remember to leverage your unique units, such as the Royal Navy, to control the seas and protect your growing empire. A balanced approach to during the early stages, your primary goal is to establish a robust economy. Construct several cities to maximize your population and resource income. Rapidly expand your borders to claim as many resource territories as possible, ensuring a steady flow of materials. Invest in economic research to further enhance your resource generation rates. While focusing on growth, maintain a small, well-positioned defensive force to protect your burgeoning empire from early threats. As you transition into the mid-game, it is time to assert your dominance. Develop a powerful navy, utilizing your Royal Navy units to control vital sea lanes and coastal regions. Train British Grenadiers, a unique and versatile infantry unit for both offensive pushes and defensive stands. Deploy these specialized units strategically to gain a significant advantage in crucial engagements. Furthermore, secure and protect your trade routes to ensure a continuous boost to your economic prosperity. In the late game, your focus shifts towards technological superiority and decisive conquest. Invest heavily in research to unlock the most advanced units and powerful upgrades available. Launch coordinated attacks, leveraging your superior naval and land forces to overwhelm your opponents. Your ultimate objective is to conquer enemy capitals, securing a military victory. Remember to maintain a robust and balanced economy throughout this phase to sustain your large and powerful military machine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.